Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and one of my most recent large investments in a coin called Zilliqa, which I have been talking about for a while. It's a competitor to Ethereum, and it is a potentially large blockchain play of the future, specifically for smart contracts. They have a lot going on. I'm going to talk a little bit about that in today's video. They have a metaverse, they have a DeFi platform we're live in. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop into the content right away. So, taking a peek at the crypto market cap for the day, we're currently sitting at $1 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin is down 10% over the last 7 days, down 6% in the last 24 hours. We all of a sudden spiked down to 26K. Well, what the heck happened here? Well, guys, I got a philosophy here, and it's pretty simple. I mean, if you're driving a car and you go to the gas pump, well, you're going to see that the gas is expensive. And if you go ahead and you go to the grocery store, you're going to see that your milk costs more and your meat costs more, and just a general grocery run costs you more. If you go to a local burger place, maybe your burger is just a little bit smaller. It's a thing called inflation, and it is affecting us badly right now. So here in the U.S., we are struggling with a lot of inflation, and currently, the Fed is trying to figure out what the heck they've got to do. So, Fed fear sparked a sudden $100 billion crypto price crash, sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, all cryptos falling, right? So that's where we are today. That's why we're sitting down to that $26,000 price level. And you know, why is this? So, the next week, so here's a piece. Friday, the inflation report it's this last big release before the Fed meeting next Wednesday, and there might be a renewal of 40-year highs for inflation. And if that news comes out and it hits public attention, you know, that's going to cause a lot of fear in the markets, and that's exactly what's going on right now. So why are we having this crash? I believe it's because of this Fed news. The Fed has been toying with the markets. The Fed has been inflating crypto. Our own currency, the US dollar, and you can, talk about the banks too, but they've been really going about printing our money the wrong way, causing inflation. We were passing out money during the pandemic, and here we are sitting with this problem of inflation, and we're going to hit some 40-year highs. And so the market's panicking, and that's what you got. Not like Bitcoin's price is super strong. We have been holding the 30K floor pretty well, but a dip down to 28K, 26K, not really out of the question. Now, the question we might have is, well, where do we go from here? Well, it looks like we just broke down, and I think we're going to have quite a bit of downward movement. And I think we could see a 20K Bitcoin. I think we could see a 21K Bitcoin. And, of course, the meeting is next Wednesday, so we could pump leading up to the news. So, I mean, it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Maybe that's already passed. Or maybe most likely we continue down from here. Now, how does that affect us here in crypto? And how does that affect Zilliqa? Well, guys, I bought Zilliqa, and I'll just tell you, basically up here. So, I mean, probably even a little bit further, right? Now I've been DCAing across the whole existence of this thing, but I actually made a pretty decent size buy the other day, right around here. Back around on the 7th, and I'm down. What am I going to do? Am I going to sell that token? No, because mostly I hold Bitcoin, I hold Ethereum, I hold Crypto.com, I hold some Zilliqa, and I believe in all these projects for the future. And right now, instead of selling, the only thought I really have going on is how can I accumulate more money to buy this dip? How can I buy more Zilliqa? How can I buy more of those altcoins that I do love? Whether it's Polkadot, Avalanche, Crypto.com, FTX, you name it. How do I buy more of those? That's where my head's at right now, because I've made the mistake of only buying on the way up. And that was back in, 2016, 2017. Did better in 2018. Still could have learned more lessons. I didn't stay true to a full DCA plan in 2018, 2019. But for the portions that I did, that is the part of my portfolio that succeeded the most for me. And I had a really great 2019, 2020. That bull run was fantastic. And now we're in the bear market. This is the best time to be buying. But realistically, dollar cost average in, buy across over time, buy projects you believe in. Zilliqa's down quite a bit, and I lost money, right, on a trade that I made 7 days ago. Guys, I'm building a portfolio. I'm not going to accept these losses because I believe in the future of Bitcoin. Most of my portfolio is in Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then you got your altcoins, and that's how you got to do it. Because if you look here and you go back to just the main markets, Bitcoin is currently down 10%. Ethereum's down 20%. That is something to consider. You look at some of these other projects, 15%, 12%, 12%, just on the day is a really great way. I mean, you can see some of this. Now, tomorrow, some of these altcoins that aren't quite bleeding yet are going to bleed a lot heavier, because that's just what happens when you got a Bitcoin dominance that's so strong. These altcoins are a lot easier to bleed. There's just less money in there, and the price can move with one or two big investors that start to kind of shuffle out. And as volumes kind of die down, then we get a consolidation phase, then we get an accumulation phase, and that's what we're looking for, guys. But, you know, I'm not scared about my Zilliqa. Why? Because there is ZillSwap, which is an awesome DEX for Zilliqa, where you can do swaps and you can trade on a decentralized exchange. You can provide liquidity, and you can do a lot of things where you can earn some money. They've also got a lot of money totally locked up in their DeFi platform. $1.93 million is currently locked up in their DeFi. So for a total lock value locked up, I mean, that is pretty okay. You know, I mean, it's not one of the biggest projects, but that's a lot of money. $200 million is quite a bit. So a lot going on for Zilliqa, guys. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on the crypto markets. Don't get discouraged. Just because we're at 26K doesn't mean anything. You know, if we get down to 21K, buy it, buy it, buy it. If we get down to 10K, buy some more. You know what? If we go up, buy some more. But buy low, sell high, take profit along the way, okay? That's all I got for you in today's video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, you got a DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.